Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 1996. The given question is a library relational database system uses the following schema. Okay, so there are total 3 tables. Okay, so this is a way long question, so it's a subjective question. Okay, so there are 3 tables. So now what they are asking is explain in one English sentence what each of the following relational algebra queries are doing. Okay, so now what they are exactly asking is they are asking what are these statements asking, right? So what are these statements performing? So that's what we want to write in English. So this is a reverse process, right? Yes. Okay, so let us observe the first question. So row user equal to 6. So you are checking something with respect to user 6, right? Yes, so user 6 is a main role in this particular query. So after that we are printing user. So pUser means only user you are selecting. Okay, so you are selecting user only. Okay, comma book title. Okay, along with book title also. Okay, and you are performing Cartesian product between user and issued, and that result with the books. Okay, so if we perform user with the issues, user with the issues, so what we can say, guys? So here you will get the username. So here you are having user hash. Okay, so user hash is the common thing. Okay, so assume that this user hash is a code. Like here user hash is 6. So assume that it is a 6 is the code of that user. Okay, so based on that user we are identifying the books what he published, right? Yes. Okay, or he took. Okay, so now after getting that data, we are going to combine it with books. So now you are performing Cartesian product with this book. So indirectly in between these two, books is common row. Book hash. So the book name, assuming that way book code. Okay, yes. So indirectly after getting this whole table, we are projecting the user as well as the book title. Okay, so you got user name, user number, and all the book titles which the users have published, right? So user 1 book A, user 2 book B, user 6 book 7. A, B, C, user 6 book D, user 7 book E, in that way, right? Yes, so among this all data, we are trying to select only user 6 data. Okay, so indirectly I think this query is really easy, right? So what we are trying to do, guys, so we are trying to find all the books, okay, all books published by user 6, right? Yes, so published by or published or issued, published by user 6. So that's a quite interesting and easy query, right? Yes. So now moving on to the second query, that is we are trying to print author names. Okay, so that author name is here. So we are going to print author names. Okay, book Cartesian product with user and issued. Okay, so the same thing we are doing here also. So here also at the end you will get information in this way only, right? Yes, and you will get here as we are working with author names. So let us include author names also here. So who is the author? So basically this is library, right? So it is not published, guys, it is issued only. Okay, yes, so the author names also given here. So A book was written by this author, B book was written by this author, C book was written by this author. Okay, so now we are performing Cartesian product, and this Cartesian product is having a particular rule, right? So we are trying to find hometown Delhi. Okay, so that is the hometown of the user, right? Okay, so basically what are we trying to do, guys? I think everyone understood this, right? Yes. Okay, so basically we are, first of all, we are indirectly sorting this particular thing with respect to hometown, right? So users based on hometown Delhi. So basically all the users who are located in Delhi, so those people took which books and who is the author of that book is what we are printing, right? So we are multiplying, yeah, that's what we are printing. So I think everyone can write down the query for that, right? So we are trying to print all the author names which have been collected in or issued in hometown Delhi. That's what we are trying to get, right? Yes. Okay, so this is an interesting question, right? Because every time they will be giving us our English statement and they will ask these things, but here at that time they ask in the reverse way, and that's a good thing, right? Yes. Okay, so now I hope everyone got a clear idea, right? And converting these into traditional statements is really easy, guys, to be clear, because every hint will be given in these statements only, right? Yes. Okay, so now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay, yes, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.